What's up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. I'm Sean King, husband, dad, entrepreneur, and founder of Legacy Life and Retirement. If you're tired of feeling like your money controls you instead of the other way around, you're in the right place. This channel is all about financial education that actually makes sense, built for real people like you and me who want to create real freedom. My goal is to teach you the legacy lifestyle process, a simple 4-step journey that puts you back in control of your financial life. Step 1, cash flow recovery. It's time to repair the leaks in your current financial system. We help you identify and recapture underutilized dollars and put them to better use. Step 2, family banking. We teach you how to create a system that lets you fund major purchases, invest, and grow your wealth, all without relying on the need of traditional banks. You become the institution. Step 3, income multiplier. Now that you've protected your money with guarantees and certainty in your own family banking system, it's time we show you how to grow that money without relying on the stock market. Step 4, legacy protection. We'll teach you how to build a rock-solid plan that protects your wealth now and guarantees it to last for future generations to come. There's no fluff on this channel, no Wall Street nonsense, just straight up education and implementation to help you build the life that you actually want. So, if you're ready to break free from that paycheck to paycheck cycle, take back control of your life, and create a legacy that you can be proud of, subscribe, hit that bell, and come build financial freedom with us. One day at a time, one video at a time, $1 at a time. As always, the information is free, but the knowledge is priceless. Welcome to the movement.